Hello everybody. Hello everybody, welcome to the stream, and today is another day we're going to do some game dev. Yay! I know, I've been slacking off for a while now. I know. But hey, taking some break here and there. I got some other things to do too. So please, be a little bit nicer to me. Okay, so what are we gonna do today? Simple. Very simple. Today we are going to do some advanced shit. I'm gonna do that first. Okay. Today we're going to do some advanced shit. Oh, what is that advanced shit, you may ask? It is this. Wait. Fuck that. Sorry guys, there was a bug on my hand. Okay, let's move on. So what we're gonna do today is wait. This. Hey. So in the last stream we have figured out how, you know, the mechanism behind this finite state machine thing. And now we're going to apply it on our enemy. Make a new enemy. So we are going to make a new enemy with pretty much the same or similar, you know, concept of what we got with the, you know, our slime. So yeah, that's one thing. It's either going to be area 2D or it's gonna be raycasting, but for now I still have no idea how to use raycasting. That's why I'm gonna try to use area 2D. Maybe I should figure out how to use raycasting first. Yeah. Let's find a way on how to use raycasting. Okay, I'm going to turn this on.
In a previous video, we saw that game developers make AIs see with raycasts lines you throw to probe the game world. Godot comes with the raycast nodes to do that in both 2D and 3D games. You add the raycast node as a child of your AI, then give it a length and direction via its cast2 property. That's your ray, which you can move and rotate. The ray will turn with your AI, so you just have to make it point forward. Once you enable it, the raycast node automatically checks for collisions every frame and stops at the closest object it touches. You can use its isColliding method to know if it is colliding, and then call getCollider to get the object it hit. If you register your player character's type with the class name keyword, you can check that the ray it is at the it. The raycast node automatically checks for collisions every frame and stops at the closest object it touches. You can use its isColliding method to know if it is colliding, and then call getCollider to get the object it hit. If you register your player character's type with the class name keyword, you can check that the ray collided with the player using the is keyword.
Ah. Okay.
And with that quick setup, you already have a working line of sight. It is then up to you to make good use of it. Casting a single ray has an issue. If it barely touches the corner of a wall, the AI doesn't see the player and it feels broken. How do we solve that? With more rays. By casting multiple in a cone, we get better AI vision. You could add a dozen raycast nodes by hand, but as lazy coders, we do it with code. We start with 3 variables: the angle of the cone of vision, the max view distance, and the angle between rays. Angle of coders by vision. You could add a dozen raycast nodes by hand, but as lazy coders, we do it with code. We start with 3 variables: the angle of the cone of vision, the max view distance, and the angle between rays. Dividing the 2 angles gives us the number of rays. In a loop, to calculate where each should cast, we can take the up vector multiplied by the AI's view range and rotate it using the vector's rotated method. Then we add each ray as a child of the AI and enable it. We loop over all the rays every frame and check if at least one collides with the player. If so, our AI sees them. If you create many rays, they will constantly check for collisions. This is fine for simple games with few enemies on screen, and you can see all the rays in the editor, but this does have a performance cost for larger games. Here are some tips to optimize this. First, you can use a single ray and move it around to sweep an area every frame. You'd use code similar to when we created many rays, but instead, you move one ray and call false raycast update on it in a loop. As soon as it hits the player, you break out of the loop. Next, you can pre-calculate the vectors you assign to the rays in an array to not recalculate them constantly. You can optimize this even more by making broad checks before casting rays. There's no point casting rays if the player is not in front of the AI at all. You can use Godot's area node with any shape like a sphere or a box. Every frame, you can check if the player is in the area before casting rays. The last trick is to pause the AI when it's outside the screen. In Godot, you can do that automatically in 2D with the Visibility Enabler 2D node. The node enables processing only when it's inside the view. Add it as a child of the AI, check the physics process property, and that's pretty much all you need to do. While there's a 3D variant of the node, it doesn't feature toggling physics processing. Instead, you'll need to use the visibility notifier and connect to its screen entered and screen exited signals. There are many more ways to use raycasts. You can use them to grab ledges, to know which unit the player clicked in a 3D game, and so much more. We cover all those in our Godot cookbook, Godot Node Essentials. You can get 3 Node Essential guides for free right now. You just have to click the link in the description and enter your email. You'll get automatically checks for—
Okay. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Anyway, we gotta need a fucking... We will need a fucking area to do it, so it's pretty much the same but with an additional ray casting. God damn. Okay. Let's make the new enemy. I'm going to leave this behind. I'm gonna name the new category to D, name it enemy, then save that as enemy prod 1. Yep. Yeah, cool. Also, there's also some changes that I wanted to do on my enemy animation. So if we go here, yeah, there's some changes that I want to do. One of them is to make it a little angry. To make it a little angry. How am I going to do that? First of all, I want to give it some red, actually. Some red and yeah, just some red. If I go and then do that. This might be a little bit too contrast, which I'm going to change by making it 80. I don't think that will do much. Maybe giving it some kind of eyebrow will help. I don't think it will. Yep. It's still too nice. It is still too nice. Okay. Alright. Okay. But it will have an eye. I don't know if it will make it better or not, but it will have an eye, and I'm going to deal with that. Anyway, it's cute, so Yeah. Run animation. Same thing. It's also going to have an eye. Even though the eye is red. But this is pretty much the color scheme that I'm gonna give all of my enemy. To group them in the same category. Ah! Just a simple change, you know, give it an eye and call it a day. Ah! Okay, it should be fine now. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit too friendly looking, but I mean, it's a slime. So what I'm gonna do now is to export it. Layers is going to be, let's do the idle animation first. Cool, yeah. We can reduce this by, I think this is around 4. So 32 times 4 is around 128. So that minus 128. Yeah. Yeah. And then just Control M. No, not Control M, my bad. Save this as 100%. Save this. Slimy game. I'm going to make a new folder. Enemies. For now, slime enemy. Idle. Yeah, slime enemy idle. And then I'm going to go to the run animation. Yeah, actually I'm going to fix that. First, Control E. Idle animation, no, go to run animation. Export. Yeah, this one is going to change. So I'm going to enable the grid first. It's probably 32 by 32. What? 23, my bad. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to move every one of these a few, you know, few centimeters back. Instead of 32 by 32, let's do 16 by 16. Yeah, I guess. To be honest, I don't know how am I going to make this work. It's confusing. Okay, wait. This is confusing. Yeah, it is. Shit. 32 by 32. I'm just gonna copy the same thing. Copy the run animation, put it here. Layer is going to be the same. So that is around 1 frame. Yeah, I'm just gonna move it there. I'm just going to try my best to align it. Around that is fine. Yeah. I'm going to move this back actually. Then move this over here. Then this back there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that'll work somehow. It's really cute. Okay, Control E, visible layers, Control Save. Save it as it's pretty much the same. Change this to Run. Export. And we are done with that. Go back to this one and let's do attack. Attack animation. So this is going to be the attack animation. 128. Okay. Save that as attack. I think I'll need to make I'll need to make like the how do I say this? The thing, I don't know. Well, oh, the hit animation, my bad. Okay, so we're gonna do that later. First of all, I'm gonna need the attack and the movement first. So don't save that, save this. Save that. Go back to put in animated sprite. Yo, Jeff the Hawk Nose, welcome to the chat. I'm working on an anime for my game, and we're going to use a finite state machine. To be honest with you, I still don't have any idea what that is, but we're just gonna try my best. So we go to our anime, animated sprite 2D, animation, sprite, make a new frame. Okay, we're gonna first add the idle animation first. Wait. Go to file manager and move this over there. On the sprites, I think I'll need to make some folder to organize all of this. Create new folder. Let's say player. Yeah. And move all of this here. Okay, so we have that. And then we're going to go to our enemy prototype. We make a new folder and we name it enemy. And inside, I'm gonna put in my slime. My little diddy slime. Where is it? A sprite, slime game, enemies. Yep. Put it here. Now if we open up the enemy, we should have the animation that we want. Cool. Okay. Go to sprites, enemy idle. Yeah. Change the vertical to 1, horizontal to 5, and there we go. This should be it. Select all, add 5 frames, and it's going to idle the way we want it to. Very, very cute. I'm gonna move it upwards. Move it up a little bit. Around that is fine. Yeah, around that is cute. I think I like this. Add a new animation. Name it Run. Go back, put in the Run animation. Change the vertical to 1 and horizontal to probably 8. No, 9. Oh yeah, 9 is cool. Select all and add 9 frame. Such a cute little Bob boys. Yeah, this guy over here is going to be a guinea pig. So please do not feel bad if it dies killed by me. Yeah, it's gonna die a lot. Sorry, I'm gonna delete that. Pew, pew, pew. Okay, so that's going to be the walk or movement animation, which is pretty solid. Yeah, add a new one. Add a new animation. It's going to be attack animation. Attack animation. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to give it this. Attack. Same thing. 5 horizontal and 1 vertical. Select all at 5 frames. Let's see how it is. Very slow. I want it to be a little bit faster. Too fast? Maybe not. Yeah, or 8 is fine for the run animation, however. I think it's a little bit too slow. Let's see. I think 5 is good because it's a slime. It's supposed to be slow. Yeah, one more animation that I want to add is the hit animation. So if we hit the slime, it's going to, you know, obviously it's going to show some indication that our slime is getting hit. How am I going to do that? Pretty easy, actually. Make a new layer. Make a new layer, name it. What do you name it? I'm gonna name it hit animation. Okay. What I want to do is, you know what, what I want to do first is to move everything in order. Move it there, copy this, make a new layer. Wait, actually, make a new layer. Oops, make a new layer. Paste it. Oh, copy this shit. Paste it here. So now that we have the animation, I'm going to turn this off. Turn that off too. So, okay, this is going to be idle animation. The attack, however, I'm going to put it way back. Oops. Okay. The idle is... The walk is here. The attack is around there. Okay. What am I going to do is I'm gonna move all this to one same place. Huh, okay. Weird. Why do I have 2 frames? 2... Okay, I'm gonna delete this. Bye. Move this way back. Around there is fine. The same will go for this one. Okay. Also this bad boy over here. Cool, cool. Move it back again. Yeah, around that is fine. This butt cheek over here. We're going to... I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or not. But do not worry. I'm going to fix it somehow. So if we see the walk animation. It's pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Boom, boom. Yeah, cool. And we just put this attack animation. We're gonna delete all of this. Name this slime animation. And take the motion blur. Put it way back. Oops. Put it here. Yep, everything works fine. Now, we're going to add a new one over here. Slime animation. I'm going to take this actually. So as you can see, that is our animation for the attack. And this, I'm going to give it a new tag. The name is going to be hit. So this is gonna be a hit animation, obviously. Bum 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 bum. I just realized that it moved forward a little bit. But that's fine, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it's okay. Move this guy over here. Move it to the middle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new layer over here. On top of it, take a very vibrant red color. And then just paint over it. Oh my god. Just paint over the entire thing. Like this. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is that we are going to lower the opacity. I'll say around 30, or maybe sometimes you can do 80, but it's too much for me. So 30 is fine for me. So just do 30. And should I do red or white? I wonder. So if we do white, it's going to look like this. Oh, red is better. Yeah, that's fine. I'm going to save it. I'm going to merge it down actually. I'm gonna save this as the enemy hit. Enemy hit. Enemy hit. Yeah. Now we have that. Oh, cancel. What am I doing? PNG layers. No. Select the layers. All frames, tag hit. Okay, that one. Export. Okay. Now let's do the last one. Is going to be the death animation. So we're gonna kill our enemy, which is good and bad at the same time. So let's add a new tag, name it death. Oh shit. Okay, how do I... Oh, okay. I've been wanting to try my hand at pixel animation, so this is great to see for an example. Oh good, if you wanted to try and learn pixel animation, there's a lot of source in YouTube and Skillshare actually, if you wanted to learn. But yeah, I learned my first pixel art. Not just pixel art animation, by the way. Just, you know, pixel art in general, how to draw the basics, like, you know, the lines, how do you clean up some lines, like this probably. And just some pretty simple and basic stuff. So you're gonna learn this eventually, how to clean up the lines, how to do this, do that. There's a lot of rules, but it's a really interesting, you know, it's a really interesting way to draw. Instead of drawing using high resolution pixel, like, I don't know, 4K or something, instead you draw in like a very small pixel count. In my case, this is 32 by 32. You can do 16 by 16 too, but I have a lot of example. If you wanted to see, I can show you. But you know, if you're interested to see, obviously, I'm gonna show you just in case. So I have a little bit of a mock-up over here. A little bit of a mock-up. I've been learning pixel art tile sets for a while now. It's not the best, but you know, I'm still working on it. This is just an example of a tile set that I made. So if we go to the tile map, you can take one of these. Let's say I wanted to draw, you know, I wanted to add more blocks to my pixel art, to my map. How am I going to do that? So one way that I'm going to do it is that I'm gonna draw. I'm just gonna put this and that, and then maybe I just, you know, take some of this, some of that, put it here. Oops, no, wrong one. Wrong one. I'm gonna erase this. Take this and that. Hey, no, B. Yeah, my bad. Okay, if I wanted to add some tiles, I just do that and boom, done. I got a tile set now. I mean, I got a new block floating. It's a really fun way. How am I gonna do this? So how did I do that? I first draw this thing first. You know, as you can see, this is what we call a tile set. So it's a set of a tile. It's pretty simple, and you can use this simple 9x9 block over here to make such a complex scene. It's really interesting, really fun, and the color palette too. I already prepared it over here. There's a lot of tutorial that you can, you know, learn, and yeah, that's it probably. There's a tutorial where they will teach you how to do this, so don't worry about it. But yeah, this is the little guy that I have over here. No problem. This is the little guy that I have. It's a cowboy and a slime, a pretty angry one. And I'll show you the animation that I made for the player. So okay, let's start with the idle animation. Constant frame rate. So this is supposed to be 250. So if we play, it's gonna look something like this. This is the idle animation. Also, there's also plenty of tutorials on how to animate stuff like this, so do not be overwhelmed. This is a very 8x8 bit animation. You can find this kind of animation in old school games like Mega Man or Mario. You see, it's not like incredibly smooth. If we compare it to my my slime animation, where is it? My slime animation. No, it's not here. Okay, so let's go back to here. Slime animation. Play slime. No, I'm just gonna show you from that. So if we compare this animation here, it's very choppy. It's very 8x8 bit. But if we compare it to this one, which is like, you know, crystal smooth, really smooth, and if we go to my player, and as you can see, this is also like very smooth animation. Because this is the animation that I want. Go back to like basic, let's say this basic tag. Yeah, it's very smooth. It's different from this one, because this one I tried to make like a choppy, old school style. And if we see the attack, this is also very choppy, but very fast. It's supposed to be a little bit faster than this, but you know, I'm just gonna leave it like that. The hit animation, which is the same, I just give it some red color and change the animation a little bit. Maybe I should change the animation for my slime too. Yeah, I should do that. If we go back to hit, what am I gonna do? I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, just by pulling it down maybe. Should I do that? I don't know. Maybe not. I'm just gonna give it this red color and call it a day. I'm gonna work on it later. And I'm pretty proud of the death animation, by the way. Even though it's not like entirely smooth, but I like the concept of it. I made the soul just leave from his body. So yeah, that's some kind of animation that you can work on. This is probably the old school animation, if you would call it. You could jiggle if you wanted something more. Yes. Maybe I could do some jiggle on the slime, on the hit, but I'm trying to make it, you know, how do I say this? I'm trying to make it one frame for the hit animation, so yeah, that's not gonna work. Okay, let's do the death actually. So how am I going to kill this guy? I'm planning to make it dissolve. So probably, I don't know. First I'm gonna to reduce it into a simple shape. So none of this bull crap over here. Take a drink first. How am I going to kill my slime? Very interesting idea. I think I'm gonna split it in half. I'm going to split it in half. So boom, boom. Reduce the top a bit. Oops. Reduce the top for a bit. Oh, that's too much actually. That's too much. Yeah. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it. I think a little bit to the right. Yeah. And then maybe cut some of these corners. Make it a little bit smooth, you know. Some variation. And add some over here. No. Yeah, maybe I will split it in the middle. And then this. I think that's too much. So we can start slow. And then we can move it a little bit more to the right. Cut off some of the part on top. And actually delete some of these. How am I gonna do this? If I think about it, how am I gonna do this? Never mind. Let's not move that there. Let's move this. Wait. Bum bum. So yeah. No. Okay. How about that? Yeah. That'll work somehow. I'm just gonna delete some of this. Maybe give it a little bit more. Cut that top off and try to make it fall backwards. Yo, Terranpal, hi, welcome to the chat. I'm just working on my slime death animation, if you would say it like that. So it's gonna look like this, and then slowly fall off to the side, and then create a puddle with the... Yeah, I think that will work somehow. I'm just gonna erase this a little bit, add some more volume, get that off, maybe cut this off somehow. I'm gonna move this to the left. Yeah, cut that off, just erase this and make it heavier on this side. Maybe too much, yeah, it's too much. I think that works somehow. It works, but at the same time, it doesn't work. Huh. I'm gonna reduce this just slowly reducing the volume. Try to make it look like, you know, it's dying. But if I notice it, it's actually getting bigger. How am I going to fix that? So that's... Maybe we can move this here. I can reduce some of the volume too, if it's too much. Okay, that's too much of a change. And then maybe this is too much, yeah. 1, 2, take that off. I think that will work. No, We're just gonna erase pixel by pixel to see how it works out. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then, you know, it doesn't work. No need to worry. Just maybe add some pixel over here. Just move it forward, you know. Give it some space. Erase that part. This is a pretty long death animation. You can also, you know, fix things up later. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think that's too much actually. It's too slow. I can do this. I can make this a little bit faster. By slowly erasing some pixel. Yep, I'm gonna erase a lot of stuff. Maybe, and then just make it plop forward. Yeah, and just erase two pixel at the top, because it just pains me to look at it. Ugh. Okay. Huh. I think that will work somehow. No. It's probably too white, but fuck it. Just gonna try and make it work. Let's see. Bam bam bam. And then disintegrate. And gone. Somehow. Let's see. Maybe we could add some more, you know. I don't know if the animation will be a little bit too fast or not. I hope it is. I hope it's not. Okay, so 8 frame animation. Let's see. So some things are pretty funky, especially here. Should be a dot. There should be a line. It's too much. This. The same goes for this one. Okay, let's see again. Bam. So cut this off. I can make this move a little bit more fast. Just a tad bit faster. Okay, I see the problem here. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3. Should be the equal size. I wanted to make it explode, bitch. Make it explode. So it's gonna be wide and disgusting. It's gonna be fast. Let's see it again. Sauce. Yeah, kinda. Okay. Boom. Wait. No, okay. Okay. Boom. Just. Bam. I think it moves a little bit too fast. Okay. It goes. It spread. Okay. I don't know. I don't like the spread. I'm gonna move it like there. Give it trees. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Wait. 1. Alright. Let's see it again. Too far. Too far, baby. Too far. Okay, too far. Too far. Too far. Okay, let's see it again. I think that works better, but some part of this is not working out. Okay, I'm gonna move this to... Okay. Pemmy, you got a favorite movie? Favorite movie? If I think about it, I didn't watch a lot of movies. You know, I didn't watch a lot of movies. But if I were to say my favorite movie... Let me think about it. Let me think about it, actually. No one has actually asked me before. What is my favorite movie? I don't watch a lot of movies, but I do remember some movies that I watch. I would say that my favorite movie is Fight Club from 1999, if you know it. It's a pretty old movie. I think there's 2. One of them is Fight Club and one more is Eternal Sunshine. I love those 2. Fucking hell. Those 2 are classics. Okay, this is gonna be the death animation. Boom! Fucking kill the slime. So first it's gonna start slow and then gradually move faster. Bam bam. Aha. Okay. So this guy moved that back. Move this back. Okay, that works, right? Yeah. Move it there. Let's see again. Okay, so something doesn't work. What about you? What's your favorite movie? Like what are you guys, you know, watching? Not watching. I mean, what do you guys like to watch? Like, you know, the genre. Maybe it's horror, romance, thriller, fantasy, superhero. I mean, I do watch a lot of superhero movie growing up, but not much of a fan right now, because I think that kind of suck now, I'm not gonna lie. This one should go faster than this one. Why? Okay, so 1 frame back for all of this bad boy. We move here. So this one is going to be 1 frame further from the thing. Okay. Instead of doing that, I might do this. Bam! Fucking kill the slime. Cool, yeah. Constant frame rate, this is 100. If we make it into 200, it's going to look a little bit like this. Boom. Bam! Kill the slime. Fuck this guy. I'm a fan of detective movies, so... mystery. Cool. What's your favorite one? Because I don't watch a lot of, I don't watch a lot of detective or like mystery kind of movie. Because my brain is not built for that kind of thing. My brain is just too small to figure out, mysteries and stuff. Okay, constant frame rate 100 is fine. I think this should go here. Yep. Okay, I like that. Maybe we can change some things too. I think the explosion is a little bit too far. Yeah, I'm gonna move all of these guys one frame to the left. Let's see it again. Yeah, I love this. Yeah, okay. Enola Holmes. Is that like a sequel or maybe like a continuation from Sherlock Holmes? Maybe? I mean, because it has Holmes on it, I assume that it has something to do with Sherlock Holmes. Because, he's an iconic detective and all. She's his sister. Oh, so she's going to figure some stuff out too, I see. Cool. That's actually really cool, not gonna lie. So what is it about? Is it like, figuring out who's Jack the Ripper? or something? Because obviously I have no idea regarding all this stuff. Because, I'm not a fan of a detective movie. Because, I told you, I'm too dumb. Enola Holmes. Sounds familiar, not gonna lie. I think the last movie that I saw about detective is... I don't even remember anymore. I color them with this color. Bam, bam. Yeah, I'm gonna draw the mouth. I haven't seen in a hot minute. I think the first one was about like a prince getting kidnapped. Ah. Oh yeah, I forgot this is about, England. The setting is in United Kingdom. So there's still prince and kings. Anyways, gotta go see you sometime. Yeah, thank you. Please do hang out sometime if you got the time, obviously. But yeah, I appreciate you coming here. So thank you for watching and staying here with me. Appreciate it a lot. I'm gonna slowly draw the mouth. Slowly rip apart from the body. Yikes. Poor little guy. I'm gonna draw the eyes too. it dies. Okay. I completely forgot how do I shade this guy. Shaquille O'Neal. Yeah, I'm just gonna add that thing over there. Yeah, that works, kinda. Let's see. Bam! You die. Oh my god, poor little baby. Oh my god, man, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to do this, but at the same time, I do mean to do that. Ugh. Wait, I think I did a mistake. No! No! Shit! I drew it on the wrong layer. Ah, fuck. Okay. No. No. Wait. What the fuck? How did I did this stupid mistake? I drew it on the wrong layer. The whole eyes and everything. Shit, man. Okay. That should be fine now. If I delete this, I can get what it left. Oh man, okay, we killed that bad boy over here, and then we're gonna add this, cause, you know, fuck that guy. Yeah, he's dead now. Let's see it again. Roll it back. Yeah, fuck you, you dead. Cool. Boom, boom, boom. A little dramatic pause. Maybe. Maybe. No. So, if we watch it again, boom, you die. Boom. Maybe I should not do that. Yeah, I should do this instead. Cutting open the part. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay. Alright, that's confusing. Just break it apart and then boom. Maybe not like that. You know what? Sure. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Let's watch it again. Ooh, we can change it to this, probably. He just died. Just boom, dead. No mercy. No mercy at all. Poor little squishy. Nah, this guy doesn't deserve any kind of, you know, sympathy. He has done a lot of bad things. One of them is by eating my stuff. Maybe eating some, you know, adventure sword or something. Despite his looks, this guy is actually really it has a really strong digestive system, and it's really acidic. So if you just simply touch this guy, you're gonna die. Yeah, so that's gonna be the death animation, which is cruel but cute at the same time. Yeah, I'm gonna save this. Yep. Give that some color. Okay, I think that works. Boom. Boom. That, baby, that. Yeah. Layers, frames. I'm gonna get the death animation. Ugh. Alright. Save this bad boy. Save it. Name it death. Slime enemy death. Export it. Close it. Save this. Go back to Godot. Go to our enemy prototype. Oh, look at this guy. Fuck you, you're gonna die. Anyway, hit. And then... oh yeah, I gotta move it here. Enemies. Take all this. Slam it in. Get the hit here. So yeah, that's gonna be the hit. Death animation. Sometimes when you make games, you know, you gotta sacrifice what you gotta sacrifice. And in this case, it's the slime. So yeah, poor little baby, but you're gonna die. Horizontal 8, if I'm not mistaken. It is not 8. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Death is here. So if I'm not mistaken, it's supposed to be B. It's supposed to be 8, and it's supposed to be 1. It is, yes. Select all at 8 frames. Delete this probably. So we are not going to need that. That's pretty slow. Yeah, just die. Okay, I do realize something now. What is that? No. Okay. Ugh, yikes. Okay, let's fix that. Go back to A sprite. Oh no, I opened it. I opened it up from Steam. Idiot. Yes, there is some slight problem. Some just slight problem. Not a big problem, but a slight problem. So if we do a little bit of accounting. Yeah, I can see that now. Yeah. Yeah, no. What the hell? Okay. Okay, fix this. Kinda. Okay, let's do this again. Control E. Layers tag is death. Export. And then we save this as the death. Replace that bitch. Go back to Godot. Delete this. Delete all this too. Yes. No! Okay. Whew. Delete this. Alright, go back to our file manager. Pull this in to our enemy. What the fuck? Okay, put this back here. And then just open it up. That's take it. Make it to A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Select all. Add frame. It works perfectly now. Just gotta delete this one. Boom, die. Never mind. I think I like the one when it breaks apart. Maybe no. Yeah, just die. Okay, cool. We have attack, death, hit, idle, run. What are we going to do next is pretty simple. It's basically the same thing. Let me think. Let me think. Okay, what are we going to do is to add a collision to our sprite. Collision shape 2D. I'm going to give it a rectangle and maybe set the value to idle, the original value. Yeah, go back to the rectangle shape, adjust some of this stuff right here just so that it fits. Perfect. Okay, that's going to be the collision shape, and transform, go to the enemy. I forgot about the word. Project settings, input, the layer, not this, no, yeah, this one. Why do I have this? Okay, I don't think I need that. No, I don't need it. So we got enemy, word, player, header. So this should be on the layer enemy, which is 4, if I'm not mistaken. It's going to look for 1 and 3. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward. And now let's do a little bit of testing first. This is how my game look like right now. Pretty simple. Okay. There's nothing much going on. It's just this guy. Yeah, but you know, it's pretty fun. I can kill myself if I wanted to. Boom, boom, and I die. As we go back to our enemy prototype right here, we can add something called a state machine. So let's add a node first. Add a node. We name the node state machine. State machine. Yeah. And we are going to assign a script. Quick load state machine.gd. Then we're gonna add another node. Name it idle, and we're going to make a new script with this one. New script, idle, enemy idle. It's going to be in states. Enemy idle, create. Okay, first we're going to extend state. So yeah, we're going to extend this guy, enemy idle, back, save this, give it a class name, enemy idle. Okay, we delete all of this. First, what we're gonna do is we have to call in. We have to, you know, call in the player, and maybe not the player first. Have to call in the character body 2D itself. So let's write enemy character body 2D. Oh, I forgot the variable, my bad. Export variable enemy character body 2D. Okay, now that we have access to the character body 2D, we can assign it back to this guy. Yeah, now we got it. We have to give it speed. Let's say around 50 is fine, around 40, maybe I don't know, 40. Yeah. And we're going to make a new function which is going to be let's say, so our enemy is going to wander around in its idle state. So randomize wander, and I'm gonna pass it first for now. Yeah, so this is gonna be it for now. Wait, I gotta go to the toilet first because I need a toilet break. I can feel my ass cheeks spreading open right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the toilet. I'm gonna go to toilet and take a big ass shit. So be right back. Toilet break, everybody. Hey yo, yes. Not gonna lie, it's going to be a great shit. I can feel it from my stomach. So yeah, BRB, I'm going to turn off my mic, so in case you guys might hear my shit. Alright, I'm just gonna stop talking about shit. Yo, guess what? I am back, baby. And let me tell you, I fucking destroyed that toilet over there. I just burst my shit all over the place. Anyway, I just ripped a big shit. I gotta stop with the shit. Okay, back to the topic. So, what am I gonna do? I have a function over here, the name is randomize wonder. What is that, you may ask? Okay, so first we're going to have two variable, obviously, The first one is going to be let's say the first one is going to be wander distance. Yeah, so yeah, you know, wander distance. What it's gonna be? It's going to be a factor 2. Right, we got that. And then we're going to make a wander time. Obviously, it's going to have some time in it. Cool. So what am I going to do in this randomize wander function? First, I want it to randomize, you know, obviously randomize the wander. How am I going to do that? So I just go to wander distance equal factor 2 ranf underscore range, and then factor 2. I don't know if I need factor 2 or not. Maybe I don't need factor 2, but I'm just gonna randomize the range. Yo, Champel, thanks for the follow. So because I want it to move on the x-axis and I don't want it to move on the y-axis, I'm gonna give it let's say -1 to 1. Okay. Is this how I do this? No. Oh shit. I don't know if it's a factor or is it not a factor. Is it a factor? I don't think it is. Okay, wait. This is not what I want. Yikes, okay. YouTube. Okay, please do not blame me for using YouTube because I'm a big dum-dum. Right? Okay. Okay. My bad, everybody. Factor 2. Now we use a ranf. Ranf range. So from -1 to 1. There's the range that we're gonna use, and then 0 on the y, then normalize the entire thing, and give our wander time around, you know, a random time. Ranf range. I'll say around 0 to 2. So it's gonna be 0, 1, 2. Cool. So it's gonna be 2 seconds. And now we open up the update function. So we have the update function. We are going to reduce the number of the time, the wander time, obviously. So if wander time is more than 0, which is obviously will be plausible. So ranf is going to be 0. Yeah, cool. 0 2 function update. Oh, wait, what? The function signature doesn't match the parent. Parent signature is update float. Oh, delta. I forgot about the delta, my bad. So it should work now? Yes, it is. It's working. So if the wander time is more than 0, we're going to slowly reduce it. How am I going to do this? Wander time minus 1 times delta. So that is what you usually do. You either, you know, just -1 it or just delta. But if you -1 it, then it's gonna be, you know, it's gonna reduce 1 every single frame, and you obviously didn't want that because all PC run in a different frame rate. If you just give it like a -1, it's going to reduce it by 60 in a second if you have a 60 FPS. So that is not ideal, and you just have to use delta. But instead of just, you know, 1 times delta, which is a stupid idea because you can just delete this and it will still be the same. And if you just go back here and print, actually, and you just print delta over there, Oh no, not print delta, print the time, because you wanted to see the time. So, if the wonder time is more than 0, you print the time. So in the state machine, I have an initial state, which I will assign it to the idle because it's going to be, you know, the initial state. Let's place. It's not, you know, it's not gonna work now, but I just wanted to see if the timer actually worked or not. You go to the 2D. For now, I'm going to delete the enemy and put in my scenes. Let's find. Oh, it's over here. Yeah, enemy prototype 1. Oh, look at this guy, it's so cute. Yo, Kraken on the one. What's up? I am working on the new enemy, and the name is enemy prototype 1. Okay, so if I run the game, the timer should work, and we can okay, it doesn't work. Surprisingly, it doesn't work, but that's okay because it's not a big deal. Slimy boy, yes, it is a cute little slimy boy. Huh. So if the wonder time is more than 0, it's supposed to, you know, do this. I didn't call. Did I call the wonder time? No, I didn't. Wait, what? Use my brain, Pammy. Use your little whiny brain. Okay. I gotta call it first. Okay, let's see. I forgot to call the function. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. Yikes. Okay, so 2 seconds might be a little bit too much. Let's do 3. 3 seconds. It's working. Good gracious. Okay, cool. Yeah, it is now working. I'm very happy. Should we, you know, make it into you know what, never mind. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yada yada. Go back to this, enter, never mind. Delete this. This is update, so it's gonna run every single second. So by giving it a function, basically a ready function, if we go to the state, we have this enter. It's basically, you know, ready. And we go to state machine, enter is process. If I'm not wrong, update, enter, wait. Oh, it's here. Yeah, ready. Wait, huh? Okay. Yeah, enter is ready. What the fuck? Wait. My brain start to, you know, kind of fuck. Ah, never mind. Okay, I understand now. Haha. Oh boy. Anyway, so yeah, enter is ready. So it's basically the same. We just call the time. Where is it? Where is the randomize? Okay, it's here. Call that. Cool, it works now. Not much actually. Okay, if we go back and we do the function and then physics and then update, if I'm not mistaken, delta, is it the thing? Yeah, it is. Pass. Okay, we're gonna pass it first. So it's basically the same thing. You just, yeah, you know, else, just randomize wonder. Okay. So in the physics delta, what I'm gonna do is that we are going to, what are we gonna do? Let me think. Let me think. So what I want to do is that our slime is going to move for, you know, a certain period of time, and then it's gonna stop. So it's gonna move, stop, take a break, and then move again, and then stop. So, first we're going to make it move first, obviously. If, start off with the if statement. If, I have no idea how to make this work. Fuck. Okay, now I realize that I'm an idiot. Jesus. Think, Penny, think. You know what? Enemy, and then go, and we take the velocity, and then we take the x. No, we don't need the x because we have factor over there. And then we times that with 1 the distance, and then we time it with 1 the time. No, it's speed, obviously. Let's try. Let's see. So, obviously it doesn't work. What the fuck? Why is it not working? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna delete the print. Go help me. I gotta check the enemy, it says or not first, yeah. If the enemy exists, okay, cool. Let's see if it works now or not. Still doesn't work. Ooh, why? Why you not working? Why you not working, baby? Let's see, what's the difference? It works. It works. I mean, the code is all the same. But for some reason, it doesn't work. Maybe because speed is just too slow that I didn't notice. Are you working or not? So yeah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. So, okay, okay, I'm gonna print. Give it a little bit of a print, and let's say I'm moving. Enemy is moving. No, I'm moving. It is. I wonder why. It should work, but for some reason it doesn't work, which, you know, surprises me, because it should work. It's a mindfuck for me. X time Y. That doesn't make any sense. So the speed is 40. Okay. Alright. This is confusing. So the timer works. But for some reason, this guy, it doesn't want to work. Why? I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, what the hell is going on? This doesn't do anything. No, right? It doesn't do anything. If I just put in X, it probably wouldn't work. Yeah. Enemy velocity 1 times direction speed. Okay, that's weird. That is weird. Maybe it's the wonder time. It is not the wonder time. It is not the wonder time. Then what? Then why does it not work then? This little bitch over here. Okay, what the fuck? I basically write the same code as this guy does. Yet it doesn't work. Which is a really confusing thing. It should work. The timer works. If we just print the wonder time itself. So as you can see, yes, it works here. It works. But for some reason, the physics update doesn't work. Which is weird. Did I do a typo? No. It should work. Yet it doesn't work. I don't know if it's the, the velocity itself. Yeah, hit. Wow, what the hell? Okay, it's supposed to be a bug, right? No way it's not working. Even the idle animation is not working. I think I know why. This guy doesn't even have a gravity yet. I just realized. Doesn't even have any kind of gravity and move and slide. That is why it's not working. Ah! Stupid! Oi! Where are you going? Oh my god. So it wanders. Yes, it does wander. Bro, you're wandering too far, my guy. It just fell off. It just fell off. Yeah, okay. What the hell? Okay, so now it works. Yeah, cool. Okay, now I do realize what's wrong with me. And first thing I'm gonna do is maybe reduce this a little bit too much. Wait, where are you coming? So it's gonna patrol around the area. Just, you know, maybe it's a little bit too fast. Yeah, maybe I make it 10. It's a bit too slow. Okay, 15, 20? 20 will work. Let's see it again. It decided to kill itself. Okay. Alright. Whoa. So 1.2 will be our safe one. Look at this guy. He's gonna patrol around like a cute little guy over here. Yeah, cool. So next thing I want to do is maybe give it some animation. Yeah, I'm gonna give it some animation. So go back to the enemy prod1.gd. I am going to give you an update animation. This is a physics process. I'm just gonna leave it there. Function update animation. Okay. Let's get some stuff into the game first. That maybe. And you know, I'm just gonna copy some code from the update animation if this. Wait, what? Why do I have that look right and look left? Ah, I'm just gonna use the player input. And where's my player? Player update animation. Oh shit, I'm using input axis. Okay. Yikes. Instead of using input axis, I'm gonna use a velocity y, velocity x. Velocity dot x. Okay, let's see. I don't know if it will work or not. Maybe not. It doesn't work. Okay, wait, what? Yeah, it doesn't work. Maybe I shouldn't use velocity.x. How am I going to know then? I somehow need to take this to this. Oh boy. Man, how am I gonna do that? So if I can use velocity x, maybe I can. It's more than 0. Less than 0. Maybe? Just maybe? No, it doesn't work. What the hell? How am I supposed to know the value? How to know the value of velocity in Godot? Normally checking the velocity is enough and more beautiful. Dividing by delta means converting position change from 1 frame to 1 second. Vector, okay. What velocity? Ah, here is it. How do I detect velocity? What your character is more implement character body 3D, which has a velocity member for 3D. You can get the length. Ah. If it's 0, your character is stop. I think it's supposed to be velocity. Okay, so I can use the length then. Aha. Uh-huh. Maybe. Maybe. Oh! Okay, never mind. Bummers. What the fuck? Kinda curious. I'm gonna queue Curioso. Alright, let's see. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Okay, so that's not helping. Oh, right. How to get player direction in Godot. I'm new to game development. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Should this? I don't know if this will work or not, but I'm gonna try it either way. So, okay, that doesn't work. Huh. That's frustrating. For some reason it doesn't work. Okay, let's see it again. Oh, I'm a dumbass. I forgot to call the animation. Go right, bro. Go right. Why you... Cool. Okay. Huh. Huh? Oh, for lot. Typo. Okay. Weird. But fine. I'll work around it somehow. Facing left. That is not left. Okay, I got it all wrong. How about this? Facing right, facing left, facing right. Okay, it works now. Fine. Cool. I don't need you. Fuck you. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is that we have to determine that our slime is going to stop when I want it to stop. But how am I going to do that? So, I'm going to make another animation. I'm gonna make another timer. Animation? Why do I need an Okay, go back to the anime idol. So, the time that it's going to stop will differ entirely. Okay? So, let's make a new variable. Let's name it stop time. And give it a float. And then I'm going to give it a function. Function time stop. Time to stop. Okay. And then in here we're going to do the same thing as this thing. Stop time. I'm gonna give it 3. Alright, so it's gonna be 3-second interval. And I'm gonna call it after the randomized wonder is called. Or maybe I shouldn't do that. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna do that. So every time the randomized wonder is called, the time to stop is going to be called. So we gotta make sure that it moves before it moves. What the fuck am I saying? No, do not do that. Okay. So I'm gonna do the same thing as this. Instead of wonder time, no. I'm gonna use stop time. Alright? Yes. And if stop time is more than 0, and we just minus the stop time. And then I will call it time to stop. We will do the same with this one. Okay. Pretty much, pretty simple. If there's an enemy, do that. And also if time to stop time is more than 2. So there will be a random... Wait, no. This is not how am I supposed to do this. If stop time more than 2, do that. Oh, it's gonna be choppy. No. Let me think. Okay, I want it to stop at certain period of time. Let's say that if the time is more than 2, then you can stop. Right? Yeah. No. It's more than 5. If it's more than 5, and if the stop time is more than 5, you can stop. No. The stop time is more than 5, you can walk. Huh? Wait, no. Okay. Else just elif stop time is, well, less than 5. Maybe I should less or equal? No. Elif stop time is less than 5. Velocity enemy dot velocity equal 0. Times 0. Let's see. Maybe it's a little bit too much. Okay, so it works somehow. I don't know how, but fuck yeah, it works. Maybe I gotta decrease this. Let's say 8, and then this is gonna be 4 and 4. This is a peak enemy behavior over here. Okay, wait. Before that, I wanted to go to the enemy prototype and delete this code over here because it's kind of annoying. Yeah, go back to the enemy idle, and maybe I want the stop time to be a little bit more specific. So it's going to be less than 2 and more than 2. So that means that it's going to walk more. It's going to walk a lot more than it's gonna stop, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's gonna walk more than, you know, it stopped moving. Or maybe we can equal that to, well, maybe, you know, it's random. Maybe not. Let's make it 8 instead of making it random. Let's see. So it's gonna move for 4 seconds and then stop, and then move again for 4 seconds and then stop, move again for another 4 seconds, this time random. It's gonna come over here for some reason, it's gonna stop, and it's come over here again, and then it goes back and then stop. So this without the random. And to be quite honest, I like the random because it gives it a lot of, you know, I don't know, I just like randomization, maybe. Let's see. So it's gonna be randomized. You know, you can walk wherever you want, you can stop wherever you want. Okay, it's gonna go back. It's gonna go back, stop. Go back again, stop. You know, just a random enemy movement. But you know, instead of making it random, let's make it not random and give it 6 seconds of time. SCP-999 kind of looking. SCP-999, you mean the blob? This guy over here, right? Yeah, it's the blob. It's the blob over here. Yeah, that's my slime. It's pretty much the same. I can smack things too. Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna move for 3 seconds and then it's gonna stop, and then back to moving for another 3 seconds, and then it's gonna stop and move again for 3 seconds and then stop. And we've got to make sure that it doesn't go off map, you know. Okay. Yeah. It's gonna do that. Just, you know, move around, and if it, you know, see someone. I gotta do that later. But for now, it's gonna do this. So I think it's kind of cool. Yeah, we're going to work with the animation first. Okay, now I'm gonna work with the animation. So if our character is moving, we need to give it some kind of animation, obviously. So we just gotta go to the enemy prototype. Yes. So above this, if velocity x is, well, more than 0, then it's going to oh my bad, if velocity s is not 0, then it's gonna play animated sprite 2D dot animation play, my bad, play run, and gotta make sure that it is